This is your ultimate guide on how to unfuck your life today. Here we are diving into 8 powerful steps that'll transform chaos into clarity and mess into success. Step 1. Keep it clean. Yes, we're talking about that earthly body of yours. It's time to pamper yourself like royalty. Hit the shower, brush those teeth, and spritz on a scent that screams confidence. Why? Because you're the main character in this game, and this is your opening cutscene. Neglecting self-care sets the stage for failure, but taking care of yourself is the first step to winning the game. Being clean isn't just about smelling good, it's about self-worth. When you look after yourself, your confidence soars, and that's like a secret signal to your brain saying, hey, I'm worth it. Even if chaos erupts like a Hollywood blockbuster, you'll be the hero who smells amazing. Step 2. Rule your kingdom. Your room? Your house? They're reflections of your inner world. If they're chaos, there are big chances that you are too. Time for a cleanup montage. Bid farewell to the clutter that's been camping in your space, rent-free, making your mind feel like a dumpster fire. When your surroundings are orderly, so is your mind. Whether it's folding those clothes or finally conquering Mount Dishmore, getting your space in check makes you feel like you're finally winning at this thing called life. Channel the clean energy into everything else you do. Remember, even Rapunzel left her tower eventually. Step 3, and it's actually a step. Step outside. It's time to break free from the indoors and walk into the world. Remember, human brains love movement, sunlight, and socializing. Don't be a hermit when the world is your playground. The more you connect with others and step into the sunshine, the more alive you'll feel. In a world that's cozy and comfortable indoors, be the rebel who steps out and writes their own adventure. Life isn't a spectator sport, it's about grabbing opportunities and making things happen. Step 4. Sweat. Imagine a magic pill that supercharges your brain, boosts your mood, adds years to your life, and even makes you more attractive. Sounds too good to be true, right? But guess what? It's real, and it's called exercise. The world's top achievers swear by it, and it's not some mythical potion. It's the good old workout routine. So get that heart pumping, break a sweat, and do it consistently. Because the energy you invest in working out magically multiplies. Step 5. Count your money. Big corporations and banks love it when you're oblivious about your spending. They thrive on those sneaky subscriptions that quietly siphon off your hard-earned cash. So grab that magnifying glass and scrutinize your spending habits. Check your bank balance often. If it stings a little, perfect. That sting is your cue to dig deeper. What are you paying for that brings zero joy? Facing the numbers is the first step towards regaining control. Step 6. Unhook yourself. What's got you on a leash? Identify those crutches you rely on to function. Is it the constant ping of notifications, the vortex of social media, or the endless email chains? It's time to cut the cords. Unsubscribe, unfollow, and declutter your digital space from the things that keep dragging you back into mindless scrolling. Free yourself from the clutches of consumerism that feeds off your attention and time. Close this video, close YouTube, and focus on previous steps before you get to the next ones. Step 7. Be strategic. Every big operation, whether it's a military campaign, a political showdown, or a colossal corporation, hinges on a strategy. What it would look like if you try to lead one of these ventures without a plan. You'd be shown the exit quicker than you can say anything. Now think about your life. Are you sailing through, fingers crossed, hoping everything falls into place magically? Hate to burst the bubble, but life rarely operates on autopilot. Even the most faithful need to grab life's reins and steer it in the right direction. Sloth might not be a sin, but it surely won't get you to your goals. It's time to draw up your life's blueprint. What do you aspire to achieve and what holds you back? Design a strategy based on your insights. Even a basic game plan can wield monstrous power when executed effectively. Step 8. Action. You've done the brainstorming, now it's execution time. Silence the constant chatter in your head and embrace action without overthinking. Let your intuition take the wheel for a change. Listen to that authentic voice inside you. It knows the way better than your doubts and insecurities. Trust it and take the leap. As you consistently heed this authentic self, watch it grow stronger, leading you to a more defined identity. Why is this crucial? A sturdy, clear identity breeds confidence and self-assurance. Embrace that feeling of knowing who you are and where you're headed. It's the secret sauce for an unstoppable you. And there you have it, 8 powerful steps to unfuck your life. If these tips resonated with you and you found them helpful, a small gesture can go a long way. Show some love by tapping that like button, because hitting like isn't just about supporting me, it's about triggering the magical algorithm that connects us with more like-minded souls out there. Your click can help spread this wisdom to those who might need it. And don't forget to check out my video on how introverts can radiate attractiveness. Trust me, it's packed with gems just like this one. Thank you for being here, and until next time, keep rocking and unfucking your life.